Good morning, everybody, and welcome to, I believe it's day 7 or 8, one of the two. I've lost count. You're on holiday, you don't need to know. I know it's the Monday though. I'm just here having breakfast. Mom thinks I'm talking to her, even though I'm talking to the vlog.
Yeah, talking. I was trying to I couldn't hear it properly. So I came over to you with a question.
Anyway, for breakfast I have some sultana bread in a really cute Minnie Mouse bowl, and oh, that's hot, and a cup of tea. My throat really hurts and I'm really not sure why. I think it's just the after effect of swimming in the years and being tired and stuff. Yeah. So that's okay, it'll be fine. We're going to Blizzard Beach today, which is the water park, which should be good. I have to find my waterproof strap for this camera so I don't lose it. So that's my first mission of the day. Off I go. Oh, super cute. I've got the sleds. We're going to take some photos thereafter because I need some for Facebook tomorrow.
Yeah, I need some today. I need some today for Facebook because I haven't done it for a couple.
Yeah. Bubbles. Everything's so nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. Oh look, Ma. Oh look, guys. There's snowman. Snowman there and up there. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a slide there. Which that slide at the very top is the only one I'm not going on today. This one, because that one up there is the one that goes straight down. Straight down. We're off to go find our first water slide, and we're also off to find Mum and Dad because they're at the lockers. I apologize for my voice, by the way. I think I'm starting to lose it because of New Year's and being tired and everything. I did have a cup of tea this morning, so hopefully it'll be fine. We shall see.
She also apologizes for looking so weird on camera with no glasses on.
Yeah, my eyes look all beady and small without glasses. I've got my tube buddy. I'll show you. That is what we're going on. How epic does that look, guys? I'm so excited. The first one is so fun. I think I'm going to be able to film the others, but you might just aim at a really bad angle, but we'll give it a go. We're going up the stairs to do the water slides again, or the second time. I'm going to do my best to film, guys. Hopefully it works. You'll probably get a crappy angle, but that's okay. Onwards to the next ones. I think the purple ones are this way.
Okay, so purple next. Right.
How come it keeps telling you the runoff rapids are that way? Oh, right, it's upstairs. I was like, what? Alright, onwards, we're going to do the purple ones now. You've just done the red. I'm going to do purple. And you'll find it. Do I measure up, guys? Can I get on this ride? I don't know. I think it's a just. Oh, my hair matches the post. My hair matches the post. Just did the racing one. Zoe won at 6:79 and I lost at 6:81. Super close. I love that one. That was so fun.
Did you get wedgied?
A little bit. I did get wedgies a little bit. Alright guys, we're going to do that one again, and then I think I'm going to go get water and put my camera back for a little bit. Mine didn't. But I will film if we go on the donut tunnel or the wave pool, but we're going to have some fun slides just without filming for a little bit, or without my camera, so I don't have a fear of losing it. But yeah, it should be good. We're heading to the family one now. It's going to be a lot of fun, and then I'm going to put my camera down for a little bit just to enjoy any other water slides that we do. And then I'll start it again for the donut and the wave pool, because I'm sure you guys will want to see us in there. It's fun. Guys, you can see Everest. That's the Expedition Everest ride. Such a fun ride at Animal Kingdom. Definitely recommend you do it. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go put the cameras away, do some more rides. That'll be fun. I'm back again. We did the family one, we did some other rides, fun. And now we're going on the donut tube thingy. I forget what it's called. The tube. Lazy. Oh! What was that? Olive. Cross country kick when you go on creek.
Or lazy river.
Lazy river when you go on the donuts and you just like laze around. The hardest part of this so far is trying to get on the donut. While oh no, she got it. The hardest part of this donut bit so far is trying to get on the donuts while you're on the nice river. But we got a nice little gap where it's just up, which is sweet and good and nice. And now you'll probably see a nice little montage, or I might film some, I don't know. What are you guys up to today anyway? As you can see, I'm just lazing around, having a nice time. Zoe's spinning. Mum's relaxing over there. Zoe's over here. Everybody's having a nice time. Oh, spin me. No. Ready? Yeah. Whee! That just spin Zoe. Whee! Whee! Zoe and I found doubles. So now we're doing doubles. So what's the plan from now on, Mum?
We're going to go wave pool, then family raft, and then we have to feed Zoe. She believes she's starved to death.
I might be a bit hungry.
And all we have at home is leftover pasta. What time do you have a bucket load? I have no idea. Something like that to get some food for tonight. And my battery's almost run out, so I don't know how much more I'll film because I think I forgot my battery stuff at home, but that's okay. I'll just supercharge the battery tonight. So it's been a while since I've vlogged. I did have one at the water park, and we already had dinner. We just had like microwave meals and stuff. So I will see you tomorrow for whatever day we're up to, but we're going to Universal tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Bye!